let's come to the major award. The third runner-up goes to candidate number 1. Candidate number 1! Congratulations, you are third runner-up! And for the second runner-up, it goes to candidate number 2. Candidate number 2, congratulations! Okay guys, ano ba ang sanahan natin? Ang champion o ang first runner-up? Champion o first runner-up? Sige, mag-start na muna tayo sa champion. Ang Miss Kalawakan Walang Hanggan 2013 is... Candidate number 4. Ngayon, bago po na ang lahat, gusto namin pasalamatan ang mga major sponsors. Marmar Funeral Home, St. Peter Life Lab, St. Nazario Supermart, Vigo Commercial, Dumex, Allianz Grocery, Aerial, Vicrola, Accenza, Amity, Shishine Computer Shop, Sigang Sports Arena, Woburn University. Ang aming kumpanya ay Livecast at ABS GMA Channel 150 and DBRB with 99.9